Hello everyone, this is Heather and this is the fourth video in our mini series on how to use the profit tool to find good swing trading ideas. Today we are going to skip over this GoGo alert because this one worked. We went from about I think 10 to 11.5, so I'm not even going to discuss this because not many people are familiar with the stock. We are going to discuss Facebook. The Facebook was at 302 when this was given, so let's see what happened to Facebook. So I think as you can see, GoGo, it was given here, we went down here, Tuesday was just bad, then we went up. So let's see Facebook, April 29th and Facebook, April 19th. So we can see that this was given here, but right this at this point in time we had no level. The support was slightly below, so this was the support level. Now why was this a good support level? You should know by now, because we have the horizontal support. Second, we have the 20 moving average support. So whenever we have confluence factors, that is always good. Let's see if we actually had any anchored VWAP here as well. Anchored VWAP support. Now this we need to just go a bit further to the lowest low, to the recent lowest low. This was a good support level, so now we can anchor it from here. So you can always anchor it from the latest support level from the anchored VWAP that was there on a longer term time period. So let's actually try 25. Okay, so this wasn't a good support level from this point in time. I think this was a decent one from this point in time. Let's see. All right. Okay, we had a support level here on the 50 moving average, so let's skip this, but this worked okay here as well. So we can see that we had a horizontal support level and we had a 20 moving average support level, and this is where the trade idea was posted. So the next day we actually did okay. We had a doji, which is again sometimes can tell us about a reversal. Then the next 3 days we did fine. We just stayed on the same level, and the next 3 days we actually went up. Now this is earnings, so I'm not even going to talk about it. This is a case where the tool was able to predict these earnings well. So I think that this is a case where the tool did good, but then we just had the Twitter case where the tool actually failed. So you are going to exit here, and we can see that you probably want the price to go up here. And let's say we entered, let's say this day at the open, so 301, and the highest was 310. So, and the close was 307. So in about 6 days we had a profit of about 6 to 10 dollars per share, which is a really decent profit if you risked the earning, and if you were sure that Facebook is going to go up, and you also had some confluence factors. You had the support area, you had the trade idea from the tool profit, which is again about 70% right. Then you would have made a lot more money. So from 300 you would have gone to about 329, 325. So even without the earnings you would have made about 6 to 10 dollars. With earnings you would have made about $25 per share, which is, I believe, in a swing trading environment, which is an excellent profit. So that's it for this video. This was a really good one because I think in both cases we were able to earn profits, but that's how you want to exit this. This had an exit right in the next day, so you probably would enter on 297 because that was the support, or probably 297 or 300 because that was the support level, and then you'll exit here because the next day we have earnings. So that's it for the trade idea. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.